Hello everyone, this is Team Kshetra and we are excited to present a solution for the Google Campus Solutions Challenge, Kshetra. The challenge we chose is bridging the gap for inclusivity and immersivity in education. Kshetra is an AI-first UPSC preparation platform built for inclusivity and accessibility. The UPSC exam is one of the toughest in India and unfortunately, high-quality coaching is often too expensive or inaccessible, especially for students in rural or low-income areas. That's where Kshetra comes in. We built it to bridge this gap by leveraging Google's Gemini 1.5 models to automate core learning tasks and reduce the dependency on costly resources. Currently, Kshetra includes AI powered smart note taking, video explanation generation feature and note making, an automated test generation system that creates quizzes and mock questions based on the syllabus that you have studied, and an interview feature which can give you a round two mock up of the interviews conducted by the UPSC. Now, I'd like to hand over to Aditya Acharya.
So what makes Kshetra stand out is how we've woven Gemini's intelligence into every student interaction. These features are already being used by UPSC aspirants across our early access group, and the feedback has been phenomenal. Time saved, concepts clarified, and confidence built, and we are just getting started. Coming next on Kshetra is Doubt Solving Assistant. Ask your doubts in text, voice, or screenshots. Gemini understands the query, extracts the context, and offers simple structured answers in multiple languages. Next, we have a mock paper revision series. We're launching a complete set of auto-generated full-length mock papers, updated with UPSC's latest patterns, difficulty tuning, and performance feedback. Now, I'd like it to hand over to Alroy.
So Kshetra isn't just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem built to democratize access to quality UPSC preparation. It is lightweight, cost-effective and scalable. With just 5,000 a year, we can serve over 100 users, making it a fraction of what traditional coaching costs. Our vision is to make AI mentorship available 24 by 7, especially to students who never had access to premium coaching. With Kshetra, we're not just preparing candidates for UPSC, we're empowering them to succeed with confidence, clarity, and the best tools AI can offer. Thank you. We'll now take you through a live walkthrough of our website. Now I'd like to hand over it to Anirudh.
Thank you, Alroy. So here is our website. If we just navigate over to the home page, yes. So here is a quick view of the library, the news feed, and the video feed features. This is used from an RSS feed that is provided by the Republic. So if I just try to open this link up, I can view the Republic article right in place. This also I can view in place similarly. Now I can save this to my notes. Now if I click on create Notion notes, your Notion note gets created in your Notion platform. We'd like to elaborate on the interview feature over here. So if I go to my interview feature, it is a Hugging Face model deployment of a Gemini fine-tuned model. So if I go ahead and record, or I can go ahead and upload. So here we'll be showing the recording part. So my microphone is in use. Now I'd like to say that, hey, I am a UPSC aspirant and I want to go over a mock interview for round two. Be my interviewer and kindly give me feedback on how I talk and what I can improve. I stop recording and I can hear my voice here. So my microphone is in use. Now I'd like to say that you can cut, you can trim, you can cancel, you can do all of that as usual. Now if I submit, Gemini goes over my text, it processes it, and it will start responding. You can either go over the text that it responds in, interview response, or you can hear it. Welcome to the mock interview for the UPSC aspirant round 2. I will be playing the role of a strict interview panelist, and I will assess your responses to the questions provided. Please note that I will be critiquing your responses strictly in a form in India. And what are the key differences? Please respond as if you were in an actual interview. In urban India. Social stratification manifest in rural and urban India. And what are the key differences? So this is how it gives you, and then you can go through it again and again. The loop can continue. So social stratification in urban and rural India is basically the division among the different classes due to economic disparity. I can go ahead, I can upload again and then submit again, and I should be able to see the same thing happening. Google responds again after processing my input. So this is how one of our features works. This was just to give you a rough through. See, it says that I'm afraid because it says it's a very superficial solution. Thank you. This was just a run through of one of the features. Thanks.